first place and the winner of the Professor Cook-Off for 2018, Team Social Work.
And with that, the 2018 Cook Your Way competition came to a close. Troy University's Dining Services presented Cook Your Way Professors Edition Tuesday night at the Dining Hall to help with donations for Hurricane Michael.
So tonight we had the first ever Cook Your Way cooking competition with our professors, and we got 4 different departments here at the Troy campus to compete against each other, and it was very interesting to say the least. We had some fun, so yeah.
There were 4 teams that competed representing different departments from around campus, from International Student Services to Marketing and Management. The 4 teams were Team M&M's, Team IPA, Team HSTM, and the eventual winner, Team Social Work.
It felt really good. We came out with the win. The ingredients were really tough. We had avocado and Connecticut sausage, so we had to really think about ways to be creative with the dish, but it felt really good to be here and great to take part in this event. We have to defend our title. We'll be here next year, and we'll be here with bells on, same team, and we're coming back again for number 2.
Judge Chef Eric Millsaps comments on the event.
It felt pretty good to be able to watch somebody else cook and judge it, and they did a great job. A lot of them went outside the box. The ingredients were avocado and Connecticut sausage, which I chose to see what they would do. It's one thing to do just sausage, but it's another thing to cut it out the skin and make something else out of it. So I was really impressed.
Joshua Thomas, Troy, TrojanVision News.